What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1972 Chevrolet C10 Turbo LS. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this thing. Starting off with under the hood, you got a 5.3 liter LS engine with a turbo, single turbo, nothing crazy. Very friendly to the street, good street manners. Aluminum radiator, you got your intercooler there. Really nice build. Whoever did this thing, they really knew what they were going for. Perfect thing to take anywhere. It's got a good amount of power, really fun. It's got the headers for the turbo. I mean, really good job whoever did this thing. Everything's done nicely. The wiring is real nice. It's got disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. The exterior is finished in a two-tone blue with white. You got US mag wheels. Want to say they are, what size are these? 20s. They are 20s. I knew they were 20s. I just wanted to make sure before I said it. They are 20-inch wheels on here, US mags. They look great on here. Gives it that beautiful, clean look. Got the correct badges on this thing. Now the paint's in pretty good shape. Got a few spots where it got chipped and they used paint to touch up over it. But other than that, the paint's in really good shape and shines really nicely. Whoever painted it was actually a pretty good painter. All the chrome is in great shape. Your glass, your interior, I'm going to dive deeper into that once I get inside here. Oh, the aluminum radiator is a gripping, great radiator. Not the cheap stuff. That's a great radiator. Close it up. Give it a rev. It's got boost gauge right there. As you can hear, it sounds great. Here's your air-fuel ratio. They put USBs in there, charge your phone. Came with air conditioning originally. It does not have air conditioning anymore. You could add it. You'd have to get a compressor, but it was originally air conditioning equipped from factory. Got a retro sound radio, AM, FM, modern looking, modern style, retro looking. Go ahead and turn it off. Column shift, tilt. So it does have a digital dash, as I just had on. Let's actually try the wipers. Wipers work. Should I even try the cigarette lighter? Yeah, it's not gonna pop out. Yeah, we're gonna give up on that. They added other cigarette lighters. They added one in here and one in here in the center console. Not sure if they work. I assume so. I know this one works. Grant steering wheel. Horn does not work. Inoperable. There's your digital dash. 549 miles since the builders are completed. I mean, they did pretty much everything. Let's turn the lights on. And after that, we'll try the blinkers too. The blinker's working. That switch doesn't work. Turning signals have to work. Yep. You gotta close the door a little hard. LED lights were added. That passenger side headlight is out. LED. Everything's LED. LED taillights, sequential. Look at that, how cool is that? Let's try the other side here, left side. Now keep in mind, all of our vehicles are sold as is, so if you want anything taken care of by the service department, ask your sales representative, they will get you a quote. Left blinker down here does not work. Blinker right there works. So, has some flaws there. Let's see what about the running lights. Those are all the ones on the side, and I think the tail lights. Yep. So those all work. I mean, whoever did this truck, they did a great job, but you got a few flaws there with the lights. Not much else I could say when it comes to the flaws. It does have like a newer seat power, probably out of a newer Silverado or something, along with the center console. It was done very cleanly, and it looks great, and the seats are super comfortable. I'm actually a fan of it. Well, it doesn't have power windows, obviously. I don't think that might have been an option with these trucks, but in these trucks, the door gaps are never the best on them. This one, the gaps are good. The door gap right there, a little bit, could be adjusted, I would say. Does look like somebody added a third brake light, I want to say. That looks like a third brake light. Let's get this tailgate open. It does have a bed cover with these little snap clips. Now, some of them are broken, so it does not snap all the way. You could easily just take that off, snaps right out. And they added these little rails, so really clean back here though, nicely bed linered. They didn't mini tub it or anything. They just looks like the stock tubs for the truck. Gotta slam that a little bit to get it to close. Lines up great, no problems there. Overall, really, really, really clean. Great example of this kind of truck. If you want one you could drive anywhere, this is the one. It's got an LS engine, tons of fun to drive. If you are interested in this 1972 Chevrolet C10, please contact us at 847-848-1850 or visit the website mgmclassiccars.com. We are located in Addison, Illinois. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is our beautiful warehouse where this truck is located. Take a look here. If you are interested in this truck or any of the other vehicles, contact us or use the website. Keep checking the YouTube channel. We get new cars in almost every day. You're not going to want to miss a thing. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. My name is Mr. Jenkins, everyone, and it's been a pleasure showing you this beautiful truck. If you want a muscle truck with an LS, you could drive it anywhere. This is the one. It's not going to last long at this price, so come on out. Let's get you the truck or car of your dreams. And always remember, sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Mr. Jenkins out.